Hi everybody, Emilie Chamel here for Hip Kit Club, and today I'm sharing with you a layout I created using the December kits, and these are made with gorgeous pastel colours, blues and pinks. It's absolutely stunning, and I'm taking part in the weekly challenge, and this week we are playing with a mood board that I designed for you guys. And same again, that mood board was full of wintry themes and nice pastel colours that work very well with the kits. And I wanted to reproduce the Leo orange colour photo that was at the top left corner of the mood board with my background, and it's a photo of countryside under the snow, and it has those golden orange undertones, and the background paper was perfect because it's got the snowflakes and it has those same colours, and all the frosty air theme is reproduced as well, with Sophia in a photo with a very big puffy jacket, and it's cold and she looks so cozy in that puffy jacket. And and I'm adding the Leo bits of blues and greens with those snowflakes that I cut out with the dies that are part of the die kit this month. It's absolutely gorgeous snowflake, almost doilies, and they're really beautiful. I went around first, as you saw, I used a stencil and the Nuvo paste to create my background, a little bit of mixed media, and I layered on top of it. So I used the 3 tags, same again from the die kits, and then the snowflake, and I'm just layering out a few ephemeras from the kits, all still with a kind of a starry snowflake theme. And it's all about layering and adding a little bit more details and playing around with where things are. This layout came together fairly quickly. It's just a matter of finding placement for cute things that I liked in the kit. I love that little fox and I absolutely wanted to use it. It looks so cozy, remind me of Sophia in this photograph, and I wanted to find a way to place it. I decided to place it over the left hand side of the photograph, just right there. I then wanted to add a little few more details and florals, and I'm looking through the kits trying to find some details that I want to add, and some of the things that I decided not to use in the end, even though they're really gorgeous. I think, you know, when you have too much gorgeousness in a kit, it's very easy to want to use it all, and it just it was a bit tough one to choose and decide what to use because it's so beautiful. But I went with the title Cozy. It's a chipboard title, and then the little sentence underneath, which is all bundled up. It just reproduce as well, bring back some of the navy blue in the layer snowflakes that I cut. Added the so cozy, and same again, it's adding a little bit more touches of that navy blue. I then went on to add a few more florals because it's so difficult for me to create a layout without florals, and as I usually do, curled the leaves and the petals around my paintbrush. I thought it was time to add a little bit of mixed media, and I covered my photo to protect it, as well as my fox, because I didn't want to lose the fox underneath too many splatters. And I went through with the Nouveau spray that is part of the kit. It's the sparkle spray, and these are really gorgeous because when you splatter them, the drop is very visible, and it doesn't get absorbed by your paper, so the drop remains as a drop. And yeah, it's a great little thing to use for a little splatter on the page. I then went on and I did a few splatters of white. It's simply white gesso that's been diluted in the tub, and I went on to add a few glittery Nouveau drop around the page just as a finishing touch and to create a little bit more frostiness drama. And there you are, here's my finished layout. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this layout. Don't forget to check out the kits on the website. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.